Hi guys, this is pjazurin, and for today we're gonna do an unboxing of Pest Repeller Ultrasonic. So safe for human and pet. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you are updated for any upcoming videos and live stream or YouTube tips and tutorials. Alright, and for today, yan, nabasa na ulan. Pest Repeller Ultrasonic. So I bought this on Amazon, and you can click the link below on the description box on where to find this one. So Amazon reviewer na din. So yan, we can open this up. Ano ba ang laman? So voltage AC, yan 950, yan 950 to 250, 90 to 250 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, ultrasonic frequency 25 to 64 kilohertz. Power is 4 to 6 yan, watts. Yan. Manufacturer Shenzhen Zhuang Weizha Electronics. Yan. I received this yesterday but I was not able to take it out, take it inside, and nabasa ng ulan. Meron siyang bubble wrap, but basa pa din. So let's see kung anong laman yan. Let's see unboxing of this amazing product. Okay, ang laman ng isang pest yan. Ang laman ng bayong. Ang laman ng bayong Pest Repeller Ultrasonic ay dyan. Of course, the Pest Repeller. Yan. Yan. Buti na lang naka-plastic siya. And yan. Kailangan nating i-plug siya sa AC cord, okay? Alright. Plug the device. Ang instruction here's the instruction. Plug the device directly into outlet. Unit starts working immediately after plugging in ultrasonic function. Ultrasonic function is always on. Default working light mode is red. It means that unit is plugged in. When it detects motion within 5 feet, it will light up in random color: blue, green, or red. Recommend using 1 unit per room. For best result, may need to wait up to 3 to 4 weeks. When first plugged in, the number of pests may increase as the ultrasonic repeller drive nearby pests out of hiding. This is very good if you have kids inside the house para mawala ang mga pests. Okay? Alright? And sabi nila, this is safe for human and pet. Yan. Offices, outdoors, residential homes, warehouse, or restaurants. Siguro pwede rin natin tong ilagay sa labas kung saan may mga halaman para mawala ang mga pest. Okay? Alright? I hope you find this product. Check natin kung i-check ko lang kung gumagana. Okay, gumagana naman siya, umiilaw. Alright? Kita nyo naman, nagkukulay red siya. Okay, so yun, sana you can consider buying this product as well, so that if there are any pests within your room or within your house, you can get rid of them. Okay? Alright, this is pjazurin. I hope you learned something, and I hope you have something to take out of this video. Alright, God bless everyone, and bye-bye.